Share the cold pink lemonade. He said that the young man could be me at age 19, and the young woman reminded you of the girl that you once been. He said that you've been dreaming of that train ever since, and you haven't been afraid of that bad war days on end. Goodbye, sweet morning bird. Goodbye, sweet morning bird. Goodbye, sweet morning bird. Your song is just made me smile. Thank you very much. Brian Alvis on harmonica, ladies and gentlemen. We will be laying that song down soon.